Hey everyone, this is Alice from AYAO Insurance. Today I'm going to talk about what you should do if you were in an accident with an uninsured driver. If you happen to be in an accident that the other driver was at fault, but they don't have an active insurance policy in place, the uninsured motorist coverage on your policy will be the coverage to repair your car and take care of any injuries from the same accident. There will be a standard $100 deductible, which is your out-of-pocket expense that you have to pay. In some instances, that deductible could be recoverable and reimbursed. The uninsured motorist is an optional coverage, but highly recommended. It not only protects us when we're hit by someone who does not have an active insurance policy, it also covers if the other person was at fault and did not carry enough coverage to cover for our damages or injuries. I recently helped a customer with an uninsured claim where the other driver who hit our customer had an expired insurance policy. The police officer who responded to the scene cited the uninsured driver a hefty $550. As for our customer, her uninsured motorist coverage took care of her repair plus her rental car expenses while her car was in the shop. Did you know? In 2015, the Insurance Information Institute estimated that 17.4% of drivers in Washington state are uninsured. That's significantly higher than the national average of 13%. This is also why, per Washington state law, we as insurance professionals are required to offer the uninsured motorist coverage to you. If you choose not to have the coverage, you will need to sign a waiver form to opt out. Be sure to talk to your agent for a comprehensive review of your policy. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.